Stop wasting tokens. We found how to cut your LLM costs by 65% using Caveman Prompting. If you're treating prompt engineering like an art form, spending pages trying to achieve perfection, you are unintentionally building a financial drain. The expensive mistake is mistaking verbosity for intelligence. The LLM doesn't need your thought process, it needs a refined instruction set. Caveman prompting is the methodology of instruction density. It's not about saying less, it's about maximizing the signal-to-noise ratio of every single token you spend. Think of it as moving from a novelist's draft to an architectural blueprint. You are compressing complexity into executable commands. This optimization hinges on 3 critical structural pillars. And if you nail these, you unlock massive token economies. Pillar 1. Establishing the persona. Before you ask a question, you must assign the AI an unflinching role, a highly specialized expert persona. This isn't just be helpful. It sets the cognitive filter. It tells the model to activate its most expensive, highest quality weights immediately. Pillar 2. Constraint saturation. This means defining the guardrails, the boundaries, and the forbidden paths upfront. You are using constraints not to restrict the AI, but to focus its colossal potential onto the specific vectors required for your success. And Pillar 3, the output schema. Never let the AI decide how to present its findings. You must dictate the final format. If you don't demand a clean JSON output, the AI will use precious tokens rambling about its brilliance before finally giving you mush. This trifecta, persona, constraints, schema, is the blueprint for maximum informational throughput with minimum token spend. Let's see this in action. We took a typical business analysis task and ran it through both methodologies. The verbose prompt starts with, "Please analyze the Q3 sales data and give me your thoughts on our market position." It's a vague painting. It forces the AI to spend tokens trying to guess your intent, wasting context on preamble. Now, the caveman approach. We define the role. You are a Series B VC specializing in SaaS scaling. The instruction becomes, analyze Q3 performance. Output a single JSON object with keys, profit margin, growth rate, risk assessment, dot. The AI doesn't ramble. It moves instantly from the context to executing the mission, zeroing in on the core deliverable. The difference is the journey. The verbose prompt requires a long preamble just to get to the data extraction. Caveman prompting is direct action. When you apply this density across all your prompts, the ingestion stage, the refinement stage, and the final output query, your costs drop dramatically. This isn't just about saving money on the API bill. It's about engineering intellectual efficiency into your entire pipeline. Your prompt is the command line interface for your model. Treat it like one, precise, minimal, and powerful. Don't ask the AI to think, give it the role and the constraints, and let its intelligence execute. The next time you build an AI feature, audit your prompts. Cut the preamble. Define the structure. Eliminate the fluff. Turn your prompt from a narrative request into an executable instruction set. That is the true path to scalable, profitable AI.